Thank you.
You are so welcome. How old are you today?
3.
3 years old. You're such a big girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
And
take
you know what?
care of Dylan.
Yes.
You take care of Dylan.
There is a special surprise for you in your bedroom from me.
You want to go look?
Yeah.
Because you are such a big girl now.
Oh, thank you.
Go.
Thank you so much, Missy Amelia. Thank you so much.
Let's go see what's in your room, sweetie. What is it? Oh my goodness. What is that?
A new bed.
What do you say to Princess Celestia?
Thank you, Missy Amelia.
You are so welcome, my dear. Have a very nice sleep in your big girl bed.
Aww. Thank you,
Have a
Missy.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
I will talk to you soon.
And a new pillow.
Say bye, sweetie.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And a bowl. A bowl.
Yeah.
A
Good.
bowl.
A bow.
I don't have that in my bed.
Oh, what do you think of your bed? Look,
Wow, look how big
she
it is.
even left you a doll of herself.
Wow.
She even gave you a Princess Celestial toy.
Cool.
Yes.
What do you think of your bed?
Thank you.
Is it awesome?
Yes, I'm asleep.
Go ahead, lay down and give it a try.
Okay. I just can't start.
Climb under the cover.
Okay, I'm in the cover. Okay.
Oh, you're undoing your pillow.
There you go. I'll help you.
Daddy'll help you. Lay down, Pumpkin. Oh, is that comfy?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a very nice bed.
Cool.
Oh, that's so cool. Are you going to sleep in that tonight?
Yeah.
Wow. So cool.
Hey, left me a bowl.
Yeah.
Who was it from?
She left you a bowl.
This is a yes, yeah.
Yes.